Did you know that one man's words are so powerful they cost him his life and ended an entire republic? In 43 BC, Marcus Tullius Cicero faced the most dangerous decisions of his career. Rome's greatest orator had spent a year writing devastating speeches called the Philippics, comparing Mark Antony to a drunken tyrant destroying everything Romans held sacred. His friends begged him to flee the city, but Cicero chose to stay and fight tyranny with words rather than escape into exile. This choice would prove fatal. When Antony's soldiers finally tracked him down at his villa, they found the old philosopher calmly reading. Legend says Cicero's last words were asking the assassins to aim properly at his neck, meeting death with the same dignity he'd shown in life. But Antony wasn't finished. He ordered Cicero's head and hands displayed on the very platform where the orator had delivered his greatest speeches. His wife Fulvia even stabbed Cicero's tongue with hairpins in revenge. Cicero's death marked the end of the Roman Republic and free speech itself. Sometimes the most courageous act is refusing to stay silent, even when silence could save your life.